Hello and welcome back to Hira's Cozy Kitchen. For Chapli Kababs, I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef with 25% fat. This is fresh, not frozen. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger chopped, 2 chopped onions without any juice or moisture, 5 tablespoons cilantro, 6 to 7 green chilies, 2 medium tomatoes, 2 tablespoons gram flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon chili flakes and 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons roughly crushed coriander, 1 tablespoon roughly crushed cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon homemade garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of crushed anardana. I crush all masalas because we don't like whole masalas in kebabs. Now I'm adding 1 large egg. I will be mixing all the masalas and vegetables with ground beef. This is a super simple and easy recipe. All the work required is marination of your meat. So you cannot use any chopper or blender to do that work. You have to use your hands to get soft and juicy kebabs. I added 1 more egg. So in total I used 2 eggs. And here I'm mixing. Because my meat was well marinated, my kebabs turned out very soft, juicy and well binded. I'm using a regular frying pan to shallow fry my kebab. Kebab are going to shrink after frying, so make bigger than what you need. I serve them with Afghani naan. That recipe is available on my channel. Make sure to watch and try that recipe. Once they are completely cooked from one side, carefully flip them. From start to end, my heat is high to medium. Try to flip them only once. They turned out flavorful, juicy, and well balanced. Give this recipe a try. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to do so. And keep watching Hira's Cozy Kitchen. I'll see you in my next video.